Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, this wig is from Donmily hair and I'm gonna do a glueless summer friendly install for you guys. This wig is a 24-inch deep wave unit and I love the waves. I'm not really a fan of deep wave because I guess I just didn't get it too much, and now that I've gotten it, I really like deep wave. It's absolutely gorgeous. And if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box to do so. I'm not gonna ramble on too much, but I pretty much told you guys what the specs was. The links will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase. This is how the gorgeous waves look, and let's get into the tutorial. This is it. This is the finished look. how are you liking it? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. But this wig is from Donmily hair, and this is the end result. So the hair is actually really nice. I don't mind the fullness of it. It's not super full where it's like a big chunk of hair on your head. And let me tell you, I went to the beach yesterday with a 250 density wig on my head, and no, we're not gonna do that. So this density is absolutely fine. It's perfect when you go outside and it's, you know, sun beaming on your head. You're fine. You don't sweat a lot, like you don't get itchy or anything. This is a perfect density, the perfect fullness. This is way different from the wig that I had on previously, and I am so here for this wig. This wig is the ideal summer friendly wig. You know, you get the curls with the fullness, and it's not super thick. It's perfect, and I'm loving it. So this is actually a 24-inch wig. Let me just step back real quick so you guys can see. So 24 inches is about here on me, and I'm loving it. This is real nice. I know I could get a good wear out of this for the summertime, and the curls aren't really too high maintenance. It's just a spray and go type of thing. You guys saw me mid-install, I sprayed this wig down, and as soon as I was finished, the wig was like 80% dry, and I'm here for that. That is what I love, when your curly hair doesn't do too much, doesn't take too long to dry down, because you know we don't want anything dripping on our shirts and so on and so forth. So this is perfect, and if you'd like to get this unit, I definitely would recommend it. The lace was literally 1 shade or 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I'm loving it because I didn't have to do too much. Y'all literally seen me stipple the little tiny bit of foundation that I put on, and that was it. I am so here for it, and I think that's it. I don't have any problems with shedding or tangling. If I do, I will definitely let you guys know on my Instagram. So keep up with my Instagram, which is at She's Your Fave. And yeah, I'd be posting stories about how I like the wigs and so on after, you know, a week, 2 weeks. So this is perfect, and the links will be in the description box to purchase this wig if you'd like to do so. Thank you so much, Donmily, for sending this gorgeous wig, and I'll see you guys in my next one.